Hey everyone, Xavier here, Mercedes-Benz of the Woodlands, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Lexus TX 350 Luxury. And honestly, if you're looking for a luxury SUV with 3 rows, reliability, and room for the whole family, this one may be one of the best values on the market today. This TX was nearly $68,000 new, and today it's available in the mid $50K range with around 30K miles. Up front, you have Lexus modern design language with bold grills, sleek LED headlights, and these stylish wheels. Give it that premium look without being overly aggressive. Just so that you know, these are a 2.4 liter turbocharged engine that produces 275 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the cargo area on this one. And while waiting for this, so this one is finished in the wind chill pearl white, which is a popular color on this. Also, this one does have the luxury trim, so you do get the upgraded wheels, the premium LED lighting, the power folding mirrors, the roof rails, for added functionality. And one of my favorite features is the panoramic glass roof. Here, I just want to show you the inside of the car. As you can see, the fit and finish and just the overall design layout. So it's very elegant, practical, and designed with the family. This one, it does have the captain's chairs in the back. Okay, so let me go. I'll show you what it's like to sit inside it. So Lexus uses what they call the Tazuna cockpit, design philosophy focused on keeping controls within, easy reach, so the driver can stay focused on the road. The TX features a black semi-aniline leather interior, giving it a premium feel throughout the cabin. And as a luxury trim, you also get, again, the heated and the ventilated seats for first and second row passengers. You also have ambient lights, heated steering wheel, and power folding third row. So overall, the interior, feels upscale, comfortable, and exactly what you'd expect from a Lexus. I do have this one available. If you would like additional details on this one, check out my video description. Again, I'm Xavier. Thank you for watching.